Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's tutorial we're gonna paint this cool illustration in a paper cut style, and it's pretty simple and we will do it step by step from the beginning till the end. And for today's class you don't need any brushes, you don't need texture paper, nothing. The only one thing that you need is iPad, stylus and your imagination. So let's go. Speaking about brush, in an inking set you have Studio pen brush, and I also will use this brush as an eraser as well. So first of all we need to paint a circle, and after just tap, and here you can control it like that. After that fill it, move it slightly to fill the gaps here. Okay guys, and first thing that I'm gonna do, I will go and create and press clipping mask. That means that I can paint just on this area, on a selected area, and I go and I grab something between red and orange color. Some areas that we need to remove like that. Same, we have a new layer, we will put it between our top layer and our sky layer. And let's do same. Well, cool. You put it between the layers and after place it on the top. Okay. Green color. Slightly darker. Well, pretty lovely. Same new layer. Place it between the layers and after put it on the top of everything. And now we need to grab yellow color for moon. Now let's turn off our sketching layer, and now we are ready to put to make some magic tricks in order to put paper cut effect on our painting. Let's go. Okay, now we are ready to move to the next part, and I will go and I will duplicate all layers 2 times, and after that, like that, and after that the lower layers I will turn to the black color, and I will go to magic wand, hue, saturation and brightness, and move our brightness till minimum, and same I will do with each layer. Let's start from the top, and I will just move it slightly by tapping here. I'll do the same with all layers. And guys, one more thing that you can do, you can just press warp, and after that make it bigger, smaller. You can control the lines, you want to have it thick or thin. It will be all up to you. Okay, like this. Now we have those beautiful effects, and now guys, our next step is we're gonna go and grab and press Gaussian blur till 7% is fine. And after, let's just lower the opacity slightly. Let's do same Gaussian blur. To lower the opacity. And we might turn to multiply layer. Gaussian blur. After lower the opacity, same. And the last step is let's return to our stars. And have to lower the opacity slightly. And that's cool. The last part. Okay, pretty good. Gaussian blur. Lower the opacity. And that's it, guys. Now we created our paper cut illustration, and I hope you enjoyed that one. And I will look forward to see what you're gonna create. So let's see each other in next video, and if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and bye bye.